Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to use the schedule sticker on your Instagram story. Schedule sticker is related to your Instagram Live, so in order for this to work, you will need to have some Instagram Live scheduled for the future. Schedule sticker allows you to remind your viewers that an Instagram Live is coming soon on your Instagram account. You can schedule a live Instagram by going to live screen and then scheduling it from there. I have added a link at the top right of this video on how to schedule an Instagram Live. Now, to use the schedule sticker on your Instagram, tap on the plus sign and then tap on story. Now take a photo or upload a photo. Next, tap on the sticker icon. Scroll down and find schedule sticker. Select it. Once you select that, you'll see all the scheduled Instagram Live you have set up. Select any of the Instagram Live you want to promote. This will then bring the scheduled Instagram Live onto your story. Now tapping on the sticker will change the format. You can move the sticker anywhere you like or resize it as you wish. And that is how to use schedule sticker on your Instagram story. If you have made it to the end of this video, then please hit the like button, and most importantly, please consider subscribing to the channel for more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.